Get ready. You are about to hear about one of the fastest growing home-based business programs anywhere. An independent business where you can earn part-time, full-time, even big-time money right from the comfort of your own home in one of the largest and most lucrative industries in the world.
Travel. Get ready to discover what all the buzz is about. Why people all around the world are saying the best place on the planet is PlanNet Marketing.
Imagine you with your very own business that is moving you closer to financial freedom.
A business that is making it possible for you to finally experience the things that you have always wanted to do.
Just imagine your business providing you with more options and more time.
With PlanNet Marketing, we will show you how to have freedom, flexibility, and financial independence as you take control of your future through the power of entrepreneurship, the travel industry, and e-commerce. PlanNet Marketing will provide you with an opportunity to earn more through your home-based business as a PlanNet rep, travel more as an IntelliTravel ITA agent, save more on what you're already spending on travel, experience more than you ever thought possible.
So who are we? We are PlanNet Marketing, a U.S.-based international marketing company that offers a new marketing concept that is revolutionizing the marketing industry. Founded by Donald Bradley, his knowledge of sales, product distribution, network marketing, and team building affords PlanNet Marketing a unique place among today's at-home business models. His vision is to provide a global opportunity to thousands.
PlanNet Marketing has experience and proven leadership and a corporate support team that provide the tools, training, and customer support to help you grow a prosperous business, a company that you could be proud of, integrity that you can stand on, and leadership you can depend on. Yes, it is a new day at PlanNet Marketing.
PlanNet Marketing enjoys an exclusive alliance with IntelliTravel, a leading innovator in travel for 25 years, led by co-founder James Ferrara. IntelliTravel is built on a strong foundation with top travel industry accreditation and certifications, a reputation that allows you to step into the world of travel with confidence. The business model is simple. PlanNet Marketing sells IntelliTravel. IntelliTravel sells travel.
So many possibilities, so many ways to profit as an IntelliTravel agent, all from the comfort of your own home. Now is your chance to earn commissions on what your friends, family, coworkers, neighbors are going to do anyway. Travel. Now you will be able to book that family reunion, church retreat, sports package, business travel, even your own family vacation, and profit from it. So many ways to earn.
Our program is all about travel and only travel. Why? Because travel is the largest industry in the world. It is an $8 trillion industry that is expected to grow to $15 trillion over the next decade. It is larger than the retail industry, energy, even health and wellness. It is also the most researched word on the internet. That is a clue. It means you are surrounded by people who want to travel. Travel is exploding, and what's fueling that growth are baby boomers who are retiring. In fact, every 20 seconds over the next 20 years, a baby boomer is retiring. Even the younger generation is traveling more than ever. Almost everyone you know is traveling or wants to travel. Now you can get paid on what people are doing anyway.
As an independent travel agent, you will receive everything you need to build a successful business. A business that allows you to earn 70 to 80% of the travel commissions paid by vendors. A business that is partnered with major vendors worldwide. No third-party travel companies involved. High commission group cruise opportunities. A business that provides you all the tools, training, and support to grow a prosperous travel business. Anyone can be an independent travel agent, full-time or part-time. Book travel, earn, explore.
Just look at the potential travel commissions you can earn from your ITA business. In-business travel. In specialized travel. Honeymoon travel is a big business, and group cruises offer exciting income opportunities.
IntelliTravel believes you should have fun while learning and earning. With IntelliTrips, you can educate yourself by experiencing travel from a client's perspective.
Want to learn more about cruising? What a better way to learn more than by experiencing it firsthand with IntelliTrips to the Caribbean. Experience a 5-night cruise for only $245 as an IntelliTravel agent.
How about experiencing an all-inclusive resort with Club Med in Punta Cana for 4 days for only $149?
IntelliTravel provides you everything you need, and they back it with the IntelliTrust guarantee. Best travel price. IntelliTravel will match or beat it. If during your first 30 days as an ITA you are not completely satisfied, IntelliTravel will give you a 100% refund. IntelliTravel's unique home-based agent program is so easy, powerful, and fully supported that they offer the only known profit guarantee for a home-based business. If you do not earn or save more in your first year as an ITA, IntelliTravel will refund the difference.
Let's look at the PlanNet Marketing Compensation Plan. This is your chance to capitalize on the power of leverage and residual income. This is your opportunity as a PlanNet marketing rep to earn part-time, full-time, even life-changing income. Earn from direct sales and from building a team of PlanNet marketing reps. When you, as a PlanNet marketing rep, sell the IntelliTravel Independent Travel Agency, the ITA, you are paid a direct sale commission of $50. That's on every ITA direct sale. And you earn a 50% check match on every direct sale made by your personally sponsored reps. And you earn additional bonuses as your team continues to grow.
Advance through the Builder program. When you have 9 personally enrolled active ITAs, you'll unlock an additional income stream. As a Gold Builder, you'll receive team bonuses paid on every ITA sale made by you or anyone on your rep team, down to the next Gold Builder, plus a 10% match on the travel commissions earned by your personal active ITAs. And that's not all. You will also receive a 10% match of the Matrix commissions earned by your personally sponsored reps. How big can that be?
Next comes residual income. Our 3x9 forced matrix allows you to earn $4 every month for every person on your team, up to 9 levels. Unlock the matrix with 2 personal active ITAs and earn up to $48 of monthly residual income. 3 personal active ITAs earn up to $156. 4 earns up to $480, and so on through 9 levels.
Are you looking for a way to retire on your terms? Our Director program is just what you've been waiting for. Director bonus is paid in addition to your weekly pay and a monthly Matrix bonus.
Join the club, that is, the President's Club, where you will wear the ring that signifies a 6-figure income.
You can become a marketing rep for a one-time initial fee of only $19.95 and a monthly administrative fee of $19.95, or an independent travel agent for a one-time investment of $179.95 and $39.95 monthly. You may maximize with both businesses and become a rep and an ITA for $199.90 and $59.95 monthly. Start your journey of success by joining our winning team today. A journey that will allow you to be your own boss, enjoy exciting income opportunities, travel more and for less while you travel the planet.